Hello, everyone. Join us at Dynamic People Solutions, where we come together and learn so much about leadership and all of its components, all to increase our vision and change the world around us. But don't just listen to us. Listen to our satisfied clients and join us. Hey, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Tell us who you are.
Brandon Castillo.
Brandon Castillo, right? And Brandon, listen, I want to thank you and your insurance agency. Tell them your insurance agency name.
My agency name is Brand A Insurance Solutions. We specialize on insurance solutions for the small business owner, managing their personal and commercial insurance needs.
How long have you been in business for?
11 years.
11 days, Sarah. Hey, listen, fantastic having you here today. What do you do?
I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Realty.
Okay, Keller Williams. Tell everybody your name.
Forrest Cooper.
Forrest Cooper. Forrest, what do you do?
Well, I'm an owner of a janitorial company in Houston, Texas.
Okay.
Been here 10 years now.
Get that promo on. What's the name of your company?
Heiko Building Maintenance. Been in the city for 10 years now.
So if you need him, give him a call. Heiko Building. You guys ought to come out and check this out. So why did you come to this workshop today? What did you think this was about, and why did you feel it was important to invest in this workshop?
Well, a lot of the subject I was kind of already familiar with as far as leadership and the networking and the banking system, but the full thing that I was able to grasp was the way Singer delivers the bank system. I was able to make associations in my personal dealings with my clients and where I lack and being able to effectively communicate with them. So the banking system that she illustrated for us helped me kind of pinpoint how I need to communicate with the different personality types. And then I once again be reminded about leadership. As you're hiring an employee, you're going from 0 to 3 or whatever, you kind of take on a new playing field and you kind of got to brush up on your skills.
Quarterback, there you go.
That's right. So that was very informative. One of the things I really enjoyed too was the interaction. It wasn't something that you're just sitting there and people are just kind of lecturing you. It was more of an interactive approach where you're not only interacting with the people giving the instruction as well as the other people participating in the event.
Okay, good. So if there was 1, 2, or 3, whatever you choose, I'd like you to look into that camera and tell them what was the most impactful 1 or 2 things that you took away that you can use in your personal life and your business life today. Look in that camera and tell them.
Well, one of the first things, if you're a business owner, the leadership aspect, because oftentimes we get into business and we don't really know what we're doing because we start as a technical person starting a business, but we forget what it's like to lead people and how to entice people to share your vision and follow you to making bringing that vision to fruition. The other thing was, again, as I mentioned, the bank system. That was a big deal for me because we come across a lot of different personalities in the insurance industry, and being able to effectively communicate with them and getting them comfortable with you so that you can close the deal. So at the end of the day, that's why we are in business. So those are probably the 2 biggest things that
I want you to look right at that camera, and I want you to tell that camera the 2 to 3 most impactful things you got out of the Elements to Success workshop today. Look right at that camera and tell them what you got.
Well, I think that, one of the most important things that I got out of this Elements to Success thing is that, that there are 2 lids. This is a lid, and then there's this thing below it. And this is you where you are, and this is everything that is below you is what depends on you, your family, and your relationships, and your life and everything. So, but this lid is basically your personal development. If you want to grow your well-being of your family, and if you want to grow your network, you need to grow your lid. If you raise your lid up, your family will grow automatically with you.
Wow.
So I think that is something which is one of the key factors that I discovered is about personal development as to what, when people think, that how do we grow ourselves, and the main thing is that you need to invest in yourself, and you need to develop yourself, and you need to have the tools, and once you develop yourself, and you can, then automatically the things around you and the people around you are going to grow and develop.
Wow, I like that. So why did you come here today?
To be a better leader. I want to learn how to become a better leader, and this workshop seems to have that. It helped me to grow as a leader and implement leadership qualities for my company.
So you've been in business for 10 years already, but you came here to learn how to be a more effective leader.
Yes.
How many employees does your company have?
82.
And your contracts are where in the city, in the state of Texas?
MD Anderson, University of Texas, Technical, CLR, Refinery, Walmart, Walgreens, a host of others.
Major companies, but you come here to learn more about leadership and personal development.
Exactly.
Whatever you want to share with us, I want you to look at that camera right there. And if it's one, if it's two, or three things that were the most impactful that you can take away and apply today, that's going to add to your personal life as well as your business, what would that be?
Well, one of those things I learned here, I think is so vital, is really understanding what leadership means and how to move your leadership. I've heard leadership, but I've never knew how to move my leadership. So today I've learned how to actually get it moving. And this workshop taught me not just take this information and sit on the shelf, but something that you can actually use today. I'm leaving here today and learning some skills I can apply right now, today as I leave out of here. I don't have to wait on some type of formula, but I can apply and implement it today. And it's been very impactful. It's a workshop I've never seen, never heard of, and just so many great things that you can use, that I can use to begin. I can already feel the change taking place even right now.
All right, guys, we have another powerful event right here at the Elements of Success Workshop Series 1. Series 2 will be coming up soon, but these are some of the students that were at the class today, and they learned one profound statement in the networking world. Be what?
Be brief,
Be brilliant, and be gone.
That's what we're inviting you to be a part of. Join us for this month's Elements to Success Workshop Series 1. You will leave with advanced knowledge and practical skills that will increase your personal value and make you the difference maker. Hit the link below, register today. We'll see you there.